This AI tool can make you $30 an hour while you're sleeping. You don't need design skills, you don't need followers, you don't even need to talk to anyone. This works even if you've never created anything in your life. You're going to learn how to use AI to create dot-to-dot puzzle books, upload them to Amazon KDP, and get paid every time someone buys one. These books cost you nothing to produce, they sell year-round, and once they're live, they can keep making money without you lifting a finger. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Choose a dot-to-dot niche. Start by going to Amazon and searching for dot-to-dot books. This gives you a full view of what's already selling. Focus on books that are ranked high in search results. Click into a few listings and scroll down until you see the best sellers rank. Copy that number and paste it into a BSR calculator. You can find these for free online. The calculator will estimate how many books that listing is selling per month. If you're seeing numbers above 300, like with this listing, that's a green light. The demand is real. Now check who's publishing the book. You're looking for self-published titles. Most of the top ones are. Clues include obvious typos, simple or amateur covers, and generic author names. If a book looks like it was made by a regular person and it's making sales, you know this method is working for someone right now. Once you've confirmed there's demand, start exploring your niche options. You're not just limited to kids' books. Dot-to-dot books for adults are selling too. Try categories like holidays, animals, ocean scenes, mandalas, fantasy, or seasonal themes like winter or Halloween. These niches work because they're specific, visual, and easy to build a series around. The goal here is to find a niche with steady interest and enough flexibility that you can make multiple books around it. For the sake of this tutorial, let's say we're going for the animal sub-niche. Step 2. Generate the image base. Head over to Canva and sign up if you don't already have an account. You'll need to activate the free trial of Canva Pro to get access to the AI tools we're using. Once you're in, click to create a new design. Set the custom size to 8.625 inches wide by 11.25 inches tall. That size includes bleed, which Amazon KDP requires for printing. Now open the Magic Media tab and select Graphics. This is where you generate your base artwork. Choose a style like monoline for a clean single-line look that works well for dot-to-dot conversions. Then type in your niche idea. For example, if you're doing a winter animal theme, try monoline drawing of a reindeer with a scarf. Canva will give you a set of AI-generated images. Pick the one you like best. The image should be simple, clear, and visually easy to follow. Avoid anything too detailed or messy. This will form the base of your dot puzzle, so it needs to be easy to break down into dots. Step 3. Convert to dot-to-dot style. Now that you've got your base image, it's time to convert it into a dot-to-dot puzzle. First, duplicate the image layer and set the transparency of the duplicate to 0%. You've now hidden that layer, but it's there as a backup. On the visible image layer, use Canva's Magic Eraser tool. Carefully erase the parts of the outline that you want to replace with dots. You don't need to erase the whole image, just enough so it becomes incomplete and ready to be rebuilt as a puzzle. Now bring back the hidden layer and set its transparency to 20 to 30%. This faded layer becomes your guide. You'll use it to manually place dots exactly where the lines used to be. Go to Shapes, select Circle, and start placing small black dots along the erased parts of the image. Follow the curves of the original line, spacing the dots out evenly. Once your path is complete, go to the Text tool and start numbering each dot. Use a basic font like Arial to keep it easy to read. Place the numbers just above or beside each dot so they're easy to follow, but not overlapping the lines. If any of the edges look too sharp or unnatural, use oval shapes to gently round them off. This makes the final puzzle feel cleaner and more polished. It's a small design tweak that gives your book a more professional look without adding complexity. Step 4. Assemble into a book-ready file. When your first puzzle page is complete, duplicate the page and start building the next one. You'll want at least 25 to 30 puzzle pages in total. After each puzzle page, add a blank page. This is important for KDP formatting. When the book is printed, your puzzles will appear on the right-hand side, and the left page will be blank. Now add margins. Use the ruler and guide tool in Canva and create a 0.375-inch margin from each edge. This keeps your design within the safe print zone. You can also add optional titles or short instructions to each page, like "Connect the dots" to reveal the animal. Keep these short and consistent across pages. Once your layout is complete, delete the guidelines so they don't show in the final print file. Group all your elements together to prevent anything from shifting. Then download the entire file in the PDF for print format, which is required by KDP. Step 5. Design a book cover. You can either design your book cover yourself in Canva or hire someone on Fiverr to do it for you. If you're doing it yourself, search Canva's templates for coloring book cover. That will give you a bunch of layouts designed specifically for low-content books like this. Pick a template and start customizing it. Change the title, add your own images that match the niche, and adjust the colors to fit the theme. For example, a winter-themed book might use icy blues, whites, and playful snow graphics. Before downloading, go to the KDP cover calculator online and enter your book's trim size, page count, and paper type. It will give you the exact dimensions for your cover, including the front, back, spine, and bleed zones. Resize your Canva canvas to match the size provided by the calculator. Upload the KDP template into your Canva file and overlay it so that you can see exactly where the spine and bleed lines are. Make sure everything fits inside the safe zones. When your layout is correct, delete the template layer so it doesn't show in the final design. Then download your cover as a PDF for print. Step 6. Publish on Amazon KDP. Head over to Amazon KDP and sign in or create a new account. From your dashboard, click Create Paperback. Now fill in your book's title, subtitle, author name, and description. If you need help writing this, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate SEO-optimized titles and descriptions based on your niche. Next, choose your keywords and categories. This is how Amazon knows who to show your book to. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you suggestions for these based on your niche. For example, if your book is a winter dot-to-dot for kids, your keywords might include winter activity book, dot-to-dot animals, and holiday puzzles. KDP will assign you a free ISBN. Use it. Set the trim size to 8.5 by 11 inches and check the box to enable bleed. Choose whether you want a glossy or matte cover finish. Both work fine for this type of book. Now, upload your interior PDF and your cover PDF. If KDP asks if your book was made using AI, answer truthfully. This won't block your book, but Amazon now requires authors to disclose AI-generated content. Use the Previewer tool to check every page and make sure the formatting looks right. If everything's good, click Publish. Your book will be reviewed, and once it's approved, which is usually done within 72 hours, it goes live on Amazon. Step 7. Set pricing and launch. Now set your pricing. First, enable expanded distribution. This allows Amazon to sell your book through additional retailers. Then choose a launch price. Start low, around $7 to $8, to attract your first buyers. Once your book starts getting reviews and some momentum, increase the price to around $9 or $10 to boost your profit margins. Watch how your book performs. If it starts getting sales, you can scale by creating a second book in the same niche or theme. Selling multiple books is what can bring you to that 30 an hour mark, maybe even more. If it's slow, try adjusting your keywords, updating your cover, or testing a different niche entirely. If you want to take it further, there are other KDP marketing videos that cover things like running ads, promoting your books on social media, and building a series. But even without marketing, this strategy gives you a simple, repeatable way to make money with AI and Canva. This is one of the most efficient ways to make money online in 2025 using AI tools. It's beginner-friendly, it's scalable, and the best part is that you don't need to be an artist, a writer, or a marketer. You just follow these steps, hit publish, and let Amazon handle the rest. I've linked all helpful tools in the description, so check those out. Which dot-to-dot niche are you thinking of creating books in? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.